everyone, Tessa here. Although I purchased this vacuum cleaner, I have partnered with the seller and may receive an extra commission. So let's dive in. When you first get the vacuum cleaner, it's the easiest thing to assemble. It's just that the handle is not attached. So you just drop it in there and click it in place, and that's it. It takes 1 second to assemble. Now, the funny thing about the handle, though, it comes with this tool to remove the handle if you want to remove the handle. And I cannot figure out for the life of me how to make this work, so hopefully I never have to remove the handle. But if you want to, and you can give it a try, this little hole right here, you just place this in. Supposedly it's supposed to push a button, but it does nothing. So you push and then you pull and it does nothing. So anyway, I don't see why I would need to remove the handle, but just something you should know about. When you get the vacuum cleaner, the roller brush is already attached. They also give you a spare one. They also give you a cleaning brush and cleaning solution. The charging station has a nice handy little places to put the cleaning solution and the brush and the roller. When I first took it out of the box, I took this out thinking you were going to have to attach it to the vacuum cleaner. And then I found out that no, you don't. You just place it, you just leave it in here. You leave it in here, and then when you go to put the vacuum cleaner in here, it does a self-cleaning. So as you can see, it has these brushes here. So when it spins the roller, it cleans it. So just leave that in there. So I'm going to show you how to add the cleaning solution. This is the clean water tank. This one right here, you just pull this out. Just like that. So the instructions on the cleaning solution bottle says that you add water to the clean water tank, and it says to add it to the line, to the fill line. Nothing on here says fill line. So I figured out where the fill line is because the instructions on here, it does say specifically 500 milliliters of water, which is 2 cups. So I measured out 2 cups and then put it in here, and it comes right up to here. So this is the fill line. And then you add 2 capfuls of this, which I did, and then just make sure that this is closed and just shake it. Sit right in there. Slides right in. Very easy, and it's ready to go. There's one more thing to show you. This is where the dirty water goes, so all you do is just squeeze and pull, and you can see the water at the bottom. The easiest way to get this off, to get to the dirty water, I find is just to go like this. There it is. It's easy. Take that out. And now it's all ready to go again. So that's the wet and dry vacuum cleaner.